Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. Today I'm doing a product review and it's going to be on 4 different brands of chalk. Right here I have the Predator chalk, I have Kamui chalk, I have your traditional Master chalk, and right here I have Balabushka chalk. So tremendous price difference. The price range is incredible. I mean, you could pick up a sleeve of Master chalk for $5. The Balabushka chalk will run you about $10 to $15 for a pack of 3. The Predator chalk is around the same, but the Kamui chalk will run you $35 to $50 for 1 cube of chalk. And it's all in personal preference. It's how serious you are about the game. If you're dedicated, hardcore pool player, and you're playing in tournaments, yes, go ahead and invest in the Kamui chalk. I mean, it's amazing. The product just is totally incredible. I mean, I've heard stories of people, chalking. All right, now we're going to do a close-up. We'll do the actual testing. I'm going to use a finger test. And all that is going to apply, this one's Master chalk. I'm going to apply this to my finger. That's the Master chalk. Next we're going to do Balabushka chalk. And I'm just checking to see what type of coverage it's actually giving. And this one is the Predator chalk. And last but not least, Kamui chalk. Now let's get up close and take a look. This one is Master chalk, very inexpensive chalk. It's probably the most popular, most common you'll find in pool halls. Next is the Balabushka chalk. You can see the coverage there. It's definitely significantly more coverage with the Balabushka. Third is the Predator chalk. That you can see how dark, and it really fills in completely. So definitely so far the Predator chalk has the most significant coverage. And last but not least is Kamui chalk. Now Kamui, it's hard to tell because it's much lighter in color. So with the Kamui chalk right here, it has a creamier consistency. It's very, very smooth. It doesn't even feel like chalk. The Predator chalk definitely has a very silky feel. Same thing with Balabushka. Balabushka, you feel a little bit more chalkiness to it. And obviously the Master chalk is the most grainy. So here's the test. I mean, overall, I would go for the Predator chalk or the Balabushka chalk price-wise. The ultimate is the Kamui chalk, but again, at $35 for Kamui chalk, you'd have to weigh that option out when you could spend a lot less money. 2 products, my top 2, at least for your overall, when you compare price to the quality of the product and the performance. I played with both of these for at least a month, and personally, I can't really tell the difference when I'm actually playing. Can you feel the difference in the quality of it? Yes, slightly. So the Predator chalk, definitely the way to go. And if you don't want to use this style chalk holder, because again, remember, Predator chalk is specifically designed as an octagon, so you're restricted on using their particular chalk holder. Me, I like my quick draw chalk holder, which is your traditional square. So personally, I use the Balabushka chalk. That's my overall. Again, I'm going to leave the descriptions below for both products, for the Predator and also for the Balabushka chalk. You can pick them up, very inexpensive, excellent chalk to use. I would definitely, these would be one of the 2 personal favorites that I would use, even in a competition. Again, very good products. You won't be disappointed. Please share this video, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and if there's anything else you'd like to see, again, leave a comment and I'll do everything I can to bring that video to you.